Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to stop people looking up your phone number on Facebook. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and click Settings and Privacy. And click on Settings. From here, I want you to scroll down until you see how people find and contact you. Tap on that. And here you can see people with your phone number. Click on that. And you just need to select no one so that your profile won't be suggested to people based on your phone number. And click on Save. And that's it. That's how you stop people looking up your phone number on Facebook. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!